Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to overlay inside of Planswift. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first want to do is go ahead and click onto the Home tab. Now below that we've got more tabs. Click onto the Overlay tab. Now we've got two different types. We've got a standard overlay, so we can overlay a plan page on top of the current page like a transparency. Now this is typically used for comparing multiple levels of the plan. Or the next option is comparative overlay. So compare two versions of the same page after being revised to view additions and deletions. Additions will be shown in red, deletions will be shown in blue. Now I'm just going to go ahead and check standard for this thing. And now from here we can give this a name and a color. I might give this a yellow color. Now from here, open up a page you would like to overlay. So I might choose that one. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on to finish. And now as you can see here, it says, would you like to align this overlay now? I'm going to click on to yes.